Yes, so I just land here. I just the land, man. As soon as every time I enter airport, they remind me of the first time where I entered America and the words of my dad. My dad was a man of wisdom. It seemed to make me shed tears every time I remembered some of the things he told me when I was coming to America the first time. I make I stop my tears more. Let's talk about. Maybe I can turn it into a song. It will make more sense if I turn it into a song. So these are the words of my dad, right? Oshim Mwamokebia Ihonashi Jalabeke Echif Kuala Lowere Magirula Labeke Kama Beke ga rubuge mwam rubu kwa beke Emranashi uso koyo iwoke beke Mwamwoke nona Ihonashi Jalabeke Echif Kuala Libo Magirula Labeke Kama beke girubuge mwam rubu kwa beke Emranasi ewuso koyo iwoke beke ejayo ayahu sishije gide chagabara le ikwu na ibe okuku mmiri ko nnene ya na me ide ke gi ko kwala gi were ke ekpere gi iwe ihona ikenga gi ibobo gi guardian angel gi ozugbo nwoso ga gi ụwa dokwala go donwam re a white magi. Spread love, my son. Don't kolobi. Mwambia, Ihonashi Jalabeke. Echef Kuala Lowere, Magirula Labeke. Kama beke girubugi mwam rubo kwa beke. Ihona, iwuso koyo, iwoke beke. Mwambia, Ihonashi Jalabeke. Echef Kuala Libo, Magirula Labeke. Kama beke girubugi mwam rubo kwa beke yona ewuso koyo iwoke beke. I'm shedding tears, man. Don't worry, we're gonna make that into a song. Words of Daddy when I was coming down to America. So more Lampara Airport, it hits me. Anyway, I know I'm tearing up a little bit, but it's for good memories of my hero. My dad was a wisdom man. All right, so behind the bianga onene We4We family celebration November 2nd 2024 for that man party bito now ohim di land there ohim di bianga we hozom di land there o ha for that man We4We 537 Grove Street, Irvington, New Jersey, starting at 8 p.m. If you're not there, wala Mississippi. Ashim nene. Hey, obunem biano. Ehona shano na labeke. Nne chef Kuala Libo makano na labeke. Nne chef Kuala shano wokoyo anna woke beke. Kama beke ga rubo kwano beke. Ashim nene. That's what it is. More fire.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment.